guys what just has happened? We start to sell our stuff because the boat is big, but it's old. And first thing, we sell our favorite motorbike to Italians. He was a good guy, beautiful and sexy. We saw a lot of beautiful things thanks to him. But it's time to say goodbye. So our last days at home, we're making all packing, but mostly we making some throwing. And now I'm looking around. Yeah, this is when we just met here on Phuket. This is from Italy. Our first common Sankran. Bert doing his office job. Yeah, nice memories. Birthday of our nice friend. Here we didn't know that we will sail in 1 year together. Here I was saying goodbye before I left to Russia. And I love this photo very much. And this drawing made Bert's little niece Lily. Okay. We were finishing packing at home. Panic increased when it were still a lot of things. We tried to sell everything what wouldn't fit by its size on the boat. Travel suitcases included, by the way. And our moving on board supposed to be on a light mode. Just a few containers, a few boxes and a few bags. Huh. Bert, he left for a shop to buy some things, and I was just working, cleaning, painting, and suddenly I felt that the boat is moving. I was like, how it's possible? We cannot move. And I went out and discovered that they move our boat. Because today our last day here, and tomorrow we go down to the water. So Bert will come back, there is no boat. I sweat like crazy because it was... I know that they know what they're doing, but it was anyway very extreme. Now everything looks like serious. Tomorrow we go to the water. What was that? They pulled us out of the place we used to stay for to refit for work, turned us by other side and pushed us back. So the catamaran was ready to go back to the water next day. Day X. Rain. All morning. Bloody raining like from the bucket. Hi guys, today is a very important day. So as you see, I don't know when next time I will see our boat like this, because just in 30 minutes we go down to the water. The whole morning was super rain. All our belongings that we moved are wet. It's a lot of work to try it, to sort it out, but I'm very happy. But, as we say in Russia, raining on a special day like waiting or moving, it's for good luck. Yes, we are very optimistic guys there. One more time, by the stairs. Really discovered his place. He doesn't know what's going on. Yes, baby. What's going on? Okay. Always good, always good. You're right, your place is the safest place on this boat. You know, it was a very strange feeling when I went upstairs with my flip-flops and they moved away the ladder. The first flash of realizing that it's my home now. And this home is moving right now to the water where it belongs.
Two months of a many $1,000 expensive full refit by the local Yanmar specialists, and we need the engines the first time. Guess what happened? Nothing. Absolutely nothing on both engines. Liliput's marina release day was a stormy one, already from the early morning. Strong winds, a lot of rain, half in and half out of the water. We could not go back, and with no engine we could not leave. The marina guys start screaming around in Thai language. We couldn't understand them, everyone at the same time. The wind was strong, it was raining, and we got pushed by the waves, still hanging in the lift.
Engine doesn't start. Yeah, we have two guys here on the boat. Now I don't know what they're doing. They're just stuck in the middle between water and land.
I was really scared that soon the waves and the wind will crash the hulls or damage the boat. But we had to go. So the marina guys dropped us into the water, towed us by dinghy, tied us up to a near mooring and disappeared. Good, this in Thailand everything is oversized. In this case, the outboard engine of the dinghy. Ironically, we had the specialists already on board, because the day before lunch I spotted that the hydraulic steering system was leaking. So I made them coming on our boat in the morning before our lunch, and as they didn't finish when we had to go in the water, they just had to come with us. Hanging on an unknown, not trustworthy mooring, just 15 meters away from shore, in shallow water, in strong winds, it took them another 15 minutes to get our engines running.
The engine starts. One. I don't know about the second part. We are tight on the mooring.
Hard times for our nerves. And guess what happens next morning when we try to start the engines again? Nothing. For your information, before the refit, the engines worked without any problem. The refit was just a maintenance thing for our future security. It was the worst case to start our new life.
Thank you for watching. We are waiting for your thumbs up, subscribes, frank comments and shares if you like us. And don't forget to have a look on our Patreon page.